Welcome back to Ifan channel. I'm Ryan. Last time I showed the hot melting of PPR pipes and the fitting. Today I will show another type of pipe material, PEX pipe. PEX pipe, full name is cross-linked polypropylene pipe. One of its biggest feature is that it's very flexible and can be easily bent to adapt to various complex space requirements. Our PEX pipe are mainly divided into two categories: aluminum plastic pipes and floor heating pipes. Aluminum plastic pipes includes gas pipes and expanded diameter pipes. Floor heating pipes divided into PRT, PEX A, PEX B, and PEX C, according to the material. Look at this. It can change its shape easily, which can reduce many joints and the risk of leakage. The installation efficiency is also improved, can saving time and cost. It is also temperature resistant and frost resistant. It can withstand higher temperatures in extremely cold weather conditions, which is very important for areas with severe winters. In addition, PEX pipes are highly resistant to corrosion and are not as prone to rust or scalding as metal pipes, and is very suitable for home water supply and drinking water system. And its service life can be stable for more than 50 years. So it's a very worthwhile investment in home decoration. In summary, PEX pipes are becoming ideal choice for modern home decoration with their excellent flexibility, temperature resistant, corrosion resistant, and the long service life. Thank you for watching. If you still have any question about PEX pipe or you want to learn how to use it in your own renovation, remember to follow our channel. We will continue to bring you more useful improvements in home decoration information. Thank you and goodbye.